Hi friends. Before I begin, I want to let you know that if you hear crying, it is because Maverick is in his cage right now because he does not like when the attention is not on him. So he was biting Charlie and my feet while I was trying to record this. So, as you just saw on the last lesson that we did, we measured things using, I lost it. We measured things using this tiny little square. This little tiny square, we measured things. And I gave you guys a challenge to go around your house and measure objects around your house. So the first objects that we measured were classroom objects, things that we have in our classroom. Now we're going to be taking a paper clip to measure this time. So if you want to look in size comparison, the paper clip is a bit longer than the cube. It's about 1.5 length longer than what the cube is. So we're going to be using this to measure everyday objects. And this, you're going to have to pause a lot because I'm going to ask you to do things or make some guesses. So right now, don't go until I say go. You're going to go get a piece of scrap paper, either notebook paper or just plain white paper or the back of a page that mom and dad don't need anymore. And there's going to be some times that I'm going to have you pause and write down your guess of how long you thought these different objects were. Okay? Sound good? All right. You can pause now to go get your object. Go. Okay, did you come back? Perfect. All right. First object that we are going to measure is this can or this bottle of Resolve. If you don't know what Resolve is, this is for if pets make accidents in the house and you have to clean it up. So we're doing the length of an object, so I'm going to lay it down. I don't want it to be the tall way. I want it to be laid down. And I want you to guess, how many paper clips do you think this whole bottle is? Okay, make a guess and just jot it down on a piece of paper. Okay, did you do that? Perfect. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is exactly 5 paper clips. What did you guys guess? Was your guess right? Was your prediction correct? All right, so next, now I'm going to make a guess by myself before I measure something. So the next thing I have is this coaster. If you guys don't know what a coaster is, you put it down on a table and you put a glass on there so it doesn't leave a ring on your table. I think this is about 3 paper clips. Okay, so I'm just making a guess. I'm estimating. I'm making a guess. All right, ready? 1, 2, and I was wrong. Look at that. It's only 2. It was actually exactly 2. So I picked 2 objects that are the exact length of our paper clips. So this one was only 2 objects. So obviously, which one was longer? The Resolve was longer. Next, we are going to measure this sign that says blessed on it. This is the right way, right? Yes, this is just a normal decorative sign that I have on my coffee table. So this one, again, we're going to measure the length. So the long part, we're not going to stand it up. I'm going to say this is about 7. No, it's just a guess. I think it's about 7. Let's see. All right, I'm going to move it back a little bit so I can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's about exactly 8. Another exact object. I think that it's almost exactly 8. So I was off by 1, but I was close. So the first time I was off by 1, and this time I was off by 1. Now out of these 3 objects here, which one's the longest so far? This sign. Which one's the shortest? The coaster. Good job. All right, we have 2 more objects left. Next object is a spoon from my kitchen. I think this one's about 6 paper clips. Let's see if we're right. If I'm right on this one, I'm going to be lucky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I say 6? Oh my goodness, I was right. 6 paper clips. Look, guys, almost another exact. This is crazy. 6 paper clips long. So if we're going to rank them in order so far, we have the coaster, which was 3. The Resolve, which was, Charlie, what was the Resolve? 5. My assistant Charlie is helping me. The spoon, which was 6. And the sign, which was 9. 9. I think this was 9. Yeah. All right. Our last object that we are going to measure is a book called Dragons Love Tacos 2, the sequel. We will be reading this soon because I don't think we read the second one in school. All right. I think this is about the same. I think this is a little bit smaller than a spoon. So I'm going to go with like 5 paper clips. This one might be our first one that doesn't match up exactly. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's like, I think a third of the last one. So we'll say 5. And I was right on that one. That was the first guess that I was, oh no, I was right on the spoon too. So this one was 5 paper clips long. So if we wanted to order them by length, it would be coaster, bottle of Resolve, book, spoon, and the sign. We ordered them from shortest to longest. We could flip it around and order them from longest to shortest. See, we went from longest to shortest. All right, guys, so just like yesterday, how I gave you the challenge, if you wanted to go around your house and use a little square or a paper clip to measure things, I would like to see you guys practicing that a lot more. You know, it would be even fun if you guys have siblings. You could lay them down and you could measure them with a paper clip and see how tall in paper clips they would be. Or have someone measure you. Make a game out of it. Make it fun. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Bye.